Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, let's try to print out a conn4 board on console, okay? So let's see where we are now here, chess, no, okay, so let's go one level up and to conn4, what do we have? iOS, Mac, Swift, let's go to iOS, okay? And pwd, yeah, we are inside here. Git status, yeah, clean, very good. So ls-l to list all. Okay, so the middle one, the third line is our project file, so we can open conn4 dot, right, it pops up on my big screen. Now let me drag it down. So, oh, set test. Okay. Yeah, so we can create our conn4 tests. Okay, here you can click here and new file, unit test case, yes. So conn4 tests, like that, create. Okay, we don't need that, bye bye. And the test what? Test test our model, okay, so it should be, we don't have that, we don't have a model. That view prayer piece, okay, let's create one. We'll come back later. So, but wait a minute, how did we draw our, we have a shadow piece box here. Oh, we use the, yeah, the temporary code here. Okay, so let's create we have the piece hashable, okay, and the player, yeah. So let's create our model struct for the game manager or game engine. So new file, Swift file, next. What is the best name? conn4 game or board. Let's use board, okay? conn4 board. So I told you, right, this project name is very bad, but there's no easy way to change this name, so let's don't worry about that for now. So put it here. Let's create struct, right? This is our real model, right? Logical game board. So what do we need here? We'll add the property of fields later. So we'll create that this guy adopt custom, what, I forgot the name, custom string convertible protocol. So wait for a few seconds. The autocomplete will generate a var description, okay? So we can use that to return a description of this game board. And So we can put a hello description of conn4 board, right, like that. So what can it do? This, let's see. Now after we have this, right, after we make this struct conform to custom string convertible protocol, every time when we create an object of that and we print that object, we can get this output on the console. So it's good for debugging. So now let's go back to here, and actually I think we can we drag this to, oh, it's not like let's close this. This is not Eclipse, so let me add one here. Now we are testing, so let me click this guy here. Okay, good. So I'll write the code here and test on the left. Okay, so now to access this struct, we need to add a line here, right? Add testable import the project name here, this guy conn4 board. So conn4 board, this guy. So after that, Command S to save that. We should be able to access this struct. Now let's create a test function first. Test conn4 board description. I think this is a good name. Description. Okay, so now let's create an object of that. Let conn4 board, right? Let's create an object of that conn4 board. Not this one. Where is it? Okay, so let me click here to refresh Xcode. Okay, now I think it should be there. Conn4, no. Conn4 board. Oh, here. Now let's print out, right? Print this guy, and let's see, run it. Yeah, focus on the console. Testing. Yeah, you see this guy, right? Description of conn4 board. Okay, now we need put some meat here. So we need, right, 6 row, yeah, or 7 by 6, right? 7 column and 6 row. That's print out 7 dots for the first row of our game board. Let's do. Okay, so var desc string equals okay, that we don't need that, right? Because Xcode can infer from this data, right? Can infer the data type of that. Now we can do desc dot append or just do this like that. This is just let's return that. Now let's try here. We should be, yeah, we see one dot, right? Now that's using a for loop. Like here is colon 0 dot dot less than 7. So we'll have 7 dots, right? Let's see. Yes, 7 dots. What about, yeah, now we need 6 of them, right? 6 rows. Another for loop, row in 0 dot dot less than 6. So we'll duplicate this 6 times. Now does it work? Let's see. Oh, we need the line break, right? Insert the line break somewhere here. So dsc plus equal, what is line break? This one, right? Try it again. Nice. Now let's try to add our label on the top, or maybe at the bottom. Okay, so bottom like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, 7 of them. For loop like column 0 dot dot less than 7. Actually we don't need that. We can simply do this. Plus equal like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Let's see, run it. Yeah, very good, right? Now let's add the label here. 0 1 2 bottom up, bottom up. So we needed to print out 5 here. Okay, so I think we needed to put something here. Plus equal, how can we get 5 there? 5 minus row, right? Let's see. Yes, it works. You see? Oh, now that we need one more space at the bottom. Yeah, row 0, row 1, row 2. Okay, cool. This is easy. We just add a space here and do it again. Ta-da! Right? So if you are not used to this one, right, practice. Okay, and here so far we don't use this guy, so we can accept this auto fix. What let's see, it will replace the col colon with underscore. Yeah, why not? And try it again. It should be the same. Nice. So we'll stop here. We just print out an empty conn4 game board. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next